part of the Save the Tooth campaign, I'm going to brief you about the basic orthodontic procedure. Many of the patients have a very good doubt that what is this orthodontic treatment, aka braces or clip treatment. What is this? And what do these orthodontists or the clip treatment specialists do and all? This orthodontic treatment is nothing but it is the procedure to deal with the malposed tooth. What is this malposed tooth or something? What is it? It is nothing but when there is overlapping of the tooth or when there are spaces in the tooth, we consult an orthodontist. The main duty of the orthodontist is to correct these problems and bring in alignment to the teeth. Why should we get this malocclusion corrected? Yeah, the main purpose or the aim of this clip treatment is that why we should get it corrected is that if there is any malposed tooth, the cleaning of the tooth becomes difficult. Because of this, there will be accumulation of plaque. Because of the accumulation of plaque, further it leads the tooth or it lands the tooth into decay. This is one of the complications. And the second is that if the teeth are proclined or forwardly placed, there are high chances that those teeth may be fractured. The third is that when there is plaque accumulation because of the crowded teeth, there will be inflamed gums and there will be bleeding on brushing. These are the things. And also here we have a joint which is the only mobile joint in the body, that is the temporomandibular joint. Because of the malocclusion like deep bite and all, there will be problems to this temporomandibular joint, like there may be some clicking sounds, or when you open your mouth wide there will be locking of the joint and it will be very painful. There will be tenderness and pain. So in order to address all these complaints, we have to go for the clip treatment. So what are the advantages of undergoing this orthodontic treatment is that the spacings can be corrected, the crowding of the teeth can be corrected. So it improves the oral hygiene. Overall oral hygiene can be improved. The second thing is that aesthetics will be improved. When the aesthetics are improved, self-esteem of the concerned person gets improved. It boosts the overall confidence and you can smile confidently, you can meet people confidently and so on. I have witnessed many people who do not smile freely or who do not go and mingle with people because they may be ridiculed that they have some forwardly positioned jaws or their teeth are crooked and so on. So all these problems can be corrected and overall aesthetics or the beauty of your beauty can be enhanced. And the third and the most important thing is that the function can be improved. You can chew properly, your teeth will be stable. That is, optimization of the occlusion can occur. So these are the advantages of undergoing the clip treatment. So what should you ask your orthodontist before the start of this treatment is that what is the age to undergo orthodontic treatment? Any age, that is right from 7 years to 60 or 65 years, any person can undergo this clip treatment. But the thing is that early intervention saves time. If you get your treatment done in the early years of age, it facilitates it creates space and facilitates the eruption of the permanent teeth. So that is the advantage for undergoing this clip treatment in the early stages of dentition. The second thing you have to ask the orthodontist is it very painful? You may get frightened by the response of your colleagues or the people who underwent this orthodontic treatment. The fact is that there will be a minimal pain. The pain depends on the pain threshold of the concerned patient. For some it may be more painful, for some it may not be there may not be any pain. It depends on the pain threshold of the patient. There will be pain when the wire is kept in place in the brackets, and every time when the wire gets changed or when the activation protocol is done, there might be some mild pain, but overall it is not a very painful treatment. You may feel pain because something foreign object has been kept in your mouth and you have to travel with it for some 1.5 to 2 years. So it may be something, there may be discomfort for you, but initially only it will be there. After that, you'll get accustomed to that. The third question you have to ask your orthodontist is the duration of the treatment. The duration varies from 6 months to 2.5 to 3 years. This depends on the complexity or the severity of the problem. and the treatment modality or the kind of treatment you need to undergo. It also depends upon the patient compliance. How well you maintain your oral hygiene is very important for the orthodontic treatment success.